back to the channel. I'm Keith, and today we're going to do one more step on getting our iPhone ready for use, and that is to transfer the SIM card from my iPhone 6 to my iPhone XR. Because as you can see, we just have Wi-Fi service, but we don't have our cell phone service just yet. And it's actually a pretty simple process. On the iPhone XR, there's a small spot here, a little slot here. You take this out, and there's a small tray in here. That's where the SIM card is going to be installed. But first, we have to get it out of our old iPhone. So, I'll show you how to do that. And on the iPhone 6, it's going to have a similar position right here. And there's a small hole, and you can use a tool that comes with your new iPhone to extract it, or you can use a small paperclip, unbend it, and you can poke it in this hole to release the mechanism that'll eject the SIM card. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Okay, so we'll open back our package here because that was where our tool is going to be that we need to use to take out the SIM card. Okay. Hello. All right. And this is it. This is your tool that you're going to need. Take that off. And you got some nice Apple logo stickers. I guess we could take those and give them to one of your Android friends. We'll stick them on their phone. All right. Okay. So we've got our tool, and we're going to place it right here, and just a slight amount of pressure, and that will eject the SIM card tray. There we go. All right, that was easy. So that's what the SIM card looks like. Take that out. And then notice at the top it's got a corner that's at an angle, so that's how it aligns in your tray, because it can only go in one way. So let's get our new phone, and we'll do the same thing. Put that right there. Now with this SIM card tray, it's a little different. It has a little bit of a gasket on this leading edge. Just be careful with that. That's what's helping keep water out of the phone in case it gets water on it. And in this tray, you can also see that there's a little bit of an angle in this corner, so we'll use that to line up with the SIM card. So we'll install it like that. Place that back into the phone. Okay, and you can see up here at the top, it's trying to acquire signal. No bars just yet. Let's see, takes a second to register. Okay, so now the phone has registered the SIM card, and we can have, now you can see that there's 3 bars out of 4 for the cellular wireless service. So now your phone is ready to go, and just like that, this video is over. Thanks for watching.